Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Perfect competition questions can be tricky, but we can solve this paperclip scenario quickly by looking at long-run market entry and exit dynamics. Since Office Clips is earning positive economic profit right now, new firms will be attracted to enter this perfectly competitive market to grab a piece of those extra gains for themselves. This entry shifts the market supply curve to the right, which naturally forces the market price down and increases the total market quantity of paperclips being sold to consumers. As the price falls, the individual firm's economic profit will decrease until it hits zero. That makes option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of entry and trust given market rules for long-run equilibrium.